Hi guys, I'm gonna tour you with this huyong-huyong part, and I think only one here. I'll just keep. So, hi guys, welcome to my vlog. We're here at huyong-huyong part, so we're going to do our photo shoot with my friends, Hannah. So, though it's like JCQ already here, but we're allowed to enter. So I guess, is there hindi na ay ano? And now we're here too. Okay, we will sing God Shows It All. Here with me, Hannah. Say hi. So we will sing God Shows It All.
Probably find a place where we can film properly.
I guess only one. Yeah, the two of us.
There's only the two of us here.
It's beautiful. Go, Jen. Come on. Is that black lady? Oh my God, it's nature. It's wonderful. Magkaroon tayo ng time to see the nature because it gives us refreshment, like stress-free life, and stress reliever. And if you really close to nature, heart and your life wonderful and beautifully. I am a person who really love nature, so I just want to share also the views, though it's common here in Tagum, just yung but the views here, the views of nature. So I guess we will sing here. We will sing God's nature shows it all. Where? We got the lady there in black. She's under the big tree. So we'll see. I will hold this one. Huh? It's fine here. So we will sing God Shows It All under this big, what's this huge Dow Draconta melon. Sunlight and dewdrops and blue painted flowers. In the evening their stars stood at sky. Bird songs and butterflies and early morning showers. The wind soft as it passed by. Slanted sun rays to the trees in sky blue horizons. The rain seems like gold to my eyes. Misty roses, daffodils, all laden on the meadows. I hear the still voice of the Lord. God's nature shows it all to me. God's nature shows it all to me. His love and care. There's no need to ask for more. The flowers shows it all. There's no flowers. Walk through the green fields and watch the grass grow. All nature shows you and me. By green trees and mountains, the love of God I know. Then why ask if He still loves me? God's nature shows it all to me. His love and care. There's no need to ask for more. The flowers shows it all. Shows it all to me. The flowers shows it all. Okay. I think there's no flower in here. Ah! Yeah. Thank you for listening to our song. Okay. So it's time to picture taking. Okay. Okay, be careful. So we will go there. I think there's still beautiful spots in there. So let's read something here. Feel nature. So if you go here, like, feel nature, love nature, and save nature. Oh my gosh, we have to save the nature because it's our also a part sa ating life na magiging healthy tayo. Like, they give us oxygen, they give us fresh air, also save us from floods, right? You have a lot of like trees and plants and parang tayo, oh, that's the tower. You want to go up there?
Wait, that's for the line. It's not.
Oh, yeah. See this one. Everything that has breath. Okay, we'll save everything that has breath. That's me. Nakakaano na talaga to. La 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 la. Let me share to you my easily. My advocacy is like, I want to share to you because I just finished. Okay, later. Okay, picture taking again. I guess I should change the location. It's here at a tower for zip line. The flower shows it all. One, I will use this one. So I guess I want to share with you my essay.
The question is, if you are environmentalist, what advocacy you want to share to conserve biodiversity? If I am an environmentalist, my advocacy would be Be a producer than merely a consumer. This means that give more to help and improve our environment. Plant more. Plant all you can rather than just eating all you can without giving back. It is about producing something that will yield to harvest, that will provide for humans, animals, and many more species to live a better and fruitful way. For example, planting more trees provide people to have more fresh air, shelters, and habitations for other species and have wonderful ecosystem. Another example is planting more fruits and vegetables creates sense of healthy life for people. Also, establish and develop gardens and nature parks in many places. Moreover, I can also encourage people to have their plants at home, even in minimal way, and live a beautiful, refreshing atmosphere at home. In these ways, we can provide humans and more species and living organisms a beautiful shelters and diversified habitat to sustain their lives. Being a producer will conserve biodiversity for the providence of sufficient food and shelter to create new and better life for all living. That is all I can share.
I think we're done. Ay, nakulay. Gosh. So we're going home because our time is limited here. Wala talagang tao dito. Makikita natin, just two of us here. So, because of coronavirus, ito nangyari sa mga parks. Natural COVID-19 rules. Use of face mask or face shields. Sorry, we don't wear because there's no people in here, just two of us. So it's fine. It's fine that not to wear face mask and face shield. Yeah. So I guess we will go home, but before that, I'm gonna swing here. Yeah. Okay, one time. Ta-da! Woo, what a beautiful life it is. And siguro before I had to cut this video, I would like to thank person who sponsored this, like this tripod here. Thank you so much for sponsoring, for giving me this tool for vlogging, and God will bless you. So if you have any comments or something you want to share about nature or you love and also advice for me to go and to have lots of parks here in Kalinakada, you can write down below, you can comment down below. So guys, we're going home. Yeah, so we're gonna last picture taking for us before we could go home. Okay, I guess we're done. So we're going home now.
Just guessing, so we're done?
Yeah, we're done. And we will go home now. Thank you so much for with me today, with us today. Bye everyone. God bless you. So we will wear now our face shield, and I have mask here. So before we could go home. So thank you so much.